Rope? Bombs? You want it? It's yours, my friend, as long as you have enough
Bird?
My friend.
Look and see.
Bird?
Wake up, sleepy bones. Cut
Birds!
throats.
Zelda, Duke Onklet is under attack by the evil forces of
Birds!
Your Majesty.
Bird?
And his minions have seized the island of...
The Dome City.
How can we die?
It is written, only Link can defeat...
Spaghetti!
Great! I'll grab my...
Breakfast!
There is no time. Your...
Volcanicity.
is enough.
Look! Birds!
Bird?
Birds!
Yo, birds!
Birds!
No! Not into the...
Volcano!
It burns!
Nice of the princess to invite us over for a picnic, eh, Luigi? I hope she made lots of...
Volcanicity.
Luigi, look!
Birds!